C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines, your complete coffee packaging solution. For decades, C.I.A. Italian Packaging Machines has been a trusted partner for coffee roasters, both large and small. We offer a wide range of machines for weighing and packaging both whole coffee bean and ground coffee, with numerous customizable options. The 𝐁𝐆 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐲 is our entry-level weigher, compact, easy to use and to clean. Ideal for whole coffee beans, powders, including Turkish coffee, and other powdery products. For larger productions, there's the 𝐁𝐆, more powerful and versatile, it handles heavier weights. Both models, 𝐁𝐆 𝐄𝐚𝐬𝐲 and 𝐁𝐆, could be equipped with optional pneumatic conveyors that ensure gentle product transfer, preserving its aroma. Our semi-automatic sealers, complete with printing kits, guarantee a perfect hermetic seal. For weighing only ground coffee, choose the 𝐁𝐆 Combi, an extremely precise weigher thanks to the volume weight system, ideal for uniform and precisely dosed packages. In combination with our vacuum kit, you can create a perfect vacuum, preserving the aroma and freshness of your coffee in classic brick-shaped packages. For those seeking fully automatic solutions, C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines offers a wide range of machines, with degassing valve applicators, printers, and many other options. As manufacturers of both semi-automatic and fully automatic packaging machines, with extensive experience in numerous sectors, particularly coffee, we have developed a deep understanding of our customers' needs. Thanks to this know-how, we are able to recommend the machine best suited to your specific needs and offer a complete after-sales service. Furthermore, we offer the possibility to trade in your old C.I.A. semi-automatic packaging machine when you decide to upgrade to one of our fully automatic solutions. Visit our official website, 𝐂𝐆 and our video channel 𝐁𝐆 C.I.A. Italian Packing Machines. Since 1986, we dress your products worldwide.